So I don't know about you guys, but the biggest struggle that I have with my power tools, specifically my battery powered power tools, is storing my batteries. I mean, normally I just kind of have them all stacked up here on my toolbox like this, but works okay for like these M18 batteries from Milwaukee. But when you get to the M12s, they don't stack. They just kind of line up. So I thought I'd put my 3D printer to work and make some mounts. So not only did I decide to make some mounts for my batteries, but one thing that kind of always bugs me is if I'm going somewhere with my tools, especially like the junkyard or something like that, I don't like to just take my batteries and throw them in the bag, because you run the risk of getting like dirt and debris and maybe some, you know, screws or washers or whatever down inside your contacts and like shorting out a battery, doing some damage, or just getting them dirty overall. So I also decided to make some protective covers for my batteries. So let's look at the protective covers first. So for like the M12 battery, this one was kind of a pain just because of the shape of this thing, right? But it's a real simple cover. I just 3D printed this out of some PLA, and it just slips right on there. Now you don't have to worry about damaging your contactors, getting anything jammed down in there, dirt, crud, any like metal shavings, stuff like that. Battery is well protected. Now, I was going to try to possibly utilize the locking clips here on the side of the battery, but this thing fits pretty snug, so I'm not too concerned about that accidentally falling off in the bag. That's got a good friction fit on there, so I'm really happy with that. As far as for the M18 battery, a little bit more, just as complicated, just in a different way, just because of these locks. Just getting all the measurements right and everything, but this just goes, clips right into place. Nice and secure. Now your battery, again, all of your connections are nice and secure. Now for the mounts, so again, for the M12 and the M18, I wanted these to be multi-purpose. So like this one, you can see this for the M18 has an angled back to it, and that way when you mount this to a wall, let's say, it kicks the top of that battery out and just makes removing it a lot easier. You kind of pull it away from the wall a little bit. What I wanted was to be able to mount these to my pegboard. So I have these, the pegs are designed that they're removable. Here's the cutout for it. There's the peg. And now if you want to mount these to your pegboard, just pop these into place. Nice secure fit. And now you've got a mount that just goes right into your pegboard. Goes right into place for both your M12 and your M18 batteries. But let's say you don't want to mount them to your pegboard. So this one has an angled back. I actually have another file where this back is straight. What you can do is you can pop these pins out. And if you break it, you just print another one. But I've also got these screw holes with a recessed screw head. So I had a screw here somewhere. You can take a screw and you can mount these in. They're a little snug, but the screw will screw right through there. The screw head will recess down inside there. Now you can take your battery and mount it under a shelf. I got both the M18 and the M12 are both the same way. See the screw holes? This is the flat back version of it. The angled head version is still there on the pegboard, but you could screw that right into place. Now I got a little notch in the back there, and that actually, the back of your battery kind of nestles in there a little bit. It doesn't lock it into place, just provides a little bit more friction. But if that was screwed up like that, you can put those batteries under your shelf also. And the backs are thick enough that you can run this all the way back and it'll actually fit all the way under your shelf. Just like that. And there you go, guys. Put that new 3D printer you just got for Christmas to work. There's a link down below to Red Blooded Products. That's where I kind of store or I sell all of my STL files. They're cheap. I got them both divided up into M12 and M18 batteries. You'll get all 4 files, so both the flat back, the angled back, the pegboard pegs, and the battery covers. So you get all 4 files one zip file, $3.95. It really helps to kind of help support the channel a little bit, pay back for some of the work that went into designing these things, and to help support making new content. Really appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one.